Hey, it's Tom from the paint department. Today, we are going to learn how to properly clean a paintbrush. A couple of you have experienced the one-on-one classroom setting here at the paint sink, but today we're going to share it with everyone. And it's really simple, very easy, very cheap, and you'll find that your painting projects turn out nicer and better because hopefully you will invest in a nicer brush instead of buying the throwaway brushes and then complaining that your painting projects are hard to do and you can't make straight lines and it looks all ropey. So what you do is you're done painting for the day and you take your brush against your paint can and wipe out all the excess paint, and then you move over to the sink with the water on. It really doesn't matter if it's hot or cold, and you aren't going to hurt the bristles at all, but you do exactly what I'm doing with the brush, getting as much paint out as you can. And quite honestly, I haven't had this brush out for very long, so there's not a lot of paint in it, but same principle. So when you're done with that, a light spin, because you want some water in your brush or in your bristles. And then you take a wire brush and you're going to wire brush with the bristles, not against, but with the bristles. And I am putting quite a bit of oomph into it to get all the paint out. All four sides. And once you get all four sides done, you go back into the water and do exactly what you did before. And 9 out of 10 times, you're probably going to look at it and say, oh, I can do it a little bit better. A light spin of the brush, and then all four sides again. And you'll spend a little bit more time than I am right now because of obvious reasons. All four sides. Back into the water, doing exactly the same thing as you did before and what I'm doing. And probably for a minute, and then once that, you're going to say, oh wow, look, no paint. And then you're going to give it a very good spin, getting as much water out as you can. And then another key factor is putting the brush back into your jacket and closing it just the way you found it. That way it dries and it keeps its shape, and if you do that, your brush will last you for years and your painting projects will be much easier. So with that in mind, all you need to do is buy $4.99 wire brush. I particularly am in love with this one, have used it for 30 years, never failed me, and stop by and see us. We'll all be here, even Winton.